A very warm welcome to you all. Sairam, good morning to all. Class, today I am here with a new topic, that is composition. Okay, that is composition, picture composition. So, today we are going to discuss about this topic. So, before starting that, I want to tell you about this topic, that why we are going to discuss this topic. So let me tell you that, as you know, your internal assessment that contain 20 marks are going to start. So in that you have picture composition of 10 marks, in which you have to present a video. You can make a 5 minutes video, 4 minutes video, and you have to upload that in a classroom app, whatever is provided to you in the in that way. Okay, so you have to watch that video which is provided to you, and according to that you have to upload in a same manner your picture composition video. Okay, so let's start with this topic. So that is picture composition. Let us discuss what is picture composition first. Okay, let us know about this. A picture composition is a description of a picture. It describes about a picture. A picture will be given to you and you have to describe about that picture. Picture composition generally develops the skill of observation in students and enhances their ability to analyze a given picture and write about it. But in this, you don't have to write for this internal assessment, because you have to upload a video of for 4 or 5 minutes, where which I have told you prior. Yes. So a picture composition requires the writer to carefully observe the given picture and describe it in the form of a story. Note down the each and every little detailing given in the picture. Whatever is given in the picture, you have to speak about that, and you have to express your observation. What you have observed, आपने क्या what you have seen, that you have to express. Write or assemble meaningful sentences to form a paragraph composition. Write the title of the composition based on the main theme of the picture. Yes. So what we are going to discuss is the topic for this picture composition. We have in a zoo, or visiting a zoo. You are in a zoo and you have to express your feeling. If you have visited a zoo or you are in a zoo, what you have observed there, how was your feeling, everything, whatever you have noticed, and in the picture, that you have to express. So topic is in a zoo. This is the maze. We have a picture of a zoo. Second picture we have, this is the second picture. What thing you are observing, have a look on this. Are you looking or not? Observe the picture and think about it. Yes, start now. Start observing and thinking what you have to frame the sentence. How many types of animals you can see here? See, in a zoo various types of animals are there, but the picture here we have elephants, zebra, lions, baby lions. So many more are there in the zoo. So in that way you have to express your visit there. Okay, what you have to tell about in a picture composition, that a zoo is a place where we can see different kinds of animals, birds together. I am an animal lover. I was very keen to see a zoo. and so I decided to visit. Visiting a zoo is very interesting. A zoo is a place where we children love to visit or to go. So, where you have visited, you have to express that. In which zoo you have gone, what you have observed there. I have seen the elephants eating the bananas, moving their trunk, the baby lions moving here and there, dancing, monkeys were dancing. Whatever you have observed, that you have to speak. Last Sunday, I went to the Alipur Zoo with my parents. There is a unique queue outside the zoo. We had to wait a long time to get to the zoo. Entering there, I felt that I was in a different world. Yes, right. When you visit to a zoo, you realize that you are in a different world. The world is of animals. That world is of animals, and you visit there, you see varieties there. Okay, there I found different kinds of deer and zebras. We also saw different types of birds and animals. I repeat once again. Last Sunday, I went to the Alipur Zoo with my parents. There is a large queue inside the zoo. It means queue means lines, for so many people visited, so queue was there. We had to wait a long time to get to the zoo. Entering there, I felt that I was in a different world. There I found different kinds of deer and zebras. We also saw different types of birds and animals. Next, we visited tigers and lions. We entered the reptile house to see snakes and crocodiles. The elephants in the zoo catch coins with their trunks. You can say elephants in the zoo were catching bananas with their trunk. And that they were dancing with their trunk, moving with it. In fine, it was a pleasant and memorable day for me or for us. The duck and swan were floating in the water. The attraction of the zoo was the stags, rabbits, deers, zebras, you can say. The babies of lion were very naughty. They were dancing from one place to the other. They were moving, dancing. They were very naughty. I love visiting again. The crowd of the people, variety of the birds, animals, elephants nodding their heads like human beings, eating bananas. Baby lion in the zoo were too interesting. Baby lions were dancing in the zoo were too interesting. They were dancing there. So, I hope you all are clear with this. Now, you have to make a short video of 3 or 4 minutes of the same topic, and whatever date sheet is provided to you, according to that date you have to upload it in your classroom app. So before doing that, you have to see the video which is provided in your group. It will help you that how you have to do everything. So your topic was picture composition, topic was in a zoo. I hope it was helpful for you all. You all have understood what we have discussed. See, a picture composition is a written way you have to represent, but I am telling that you have to express yourself in a video. You have to give your expressions. It means you have to upload, you have to give us to, not in a written form. You have to make a video of 4 or 5 minutes or 3 or 4 minutes, whatever is there. Okay, I hope you all will do this, and you all have got what we have to do in this picture composition.